The moment of truth. Finally, after 3 months of digging the whole internet and YouTube so deeply for searching about Apple new release Mac computers, today I got my own Apple Silicon Mac. In this video, I'm gonna unbox the 2020 M1 MacBook Pro. You don't wanna miss it. Let's watch it. Hey, what's up folks? I'm Farshid and welcome back to the channel. Today is an exciting day and I'm so happy because I received my brand new laptop and I'm ready to unbox it. But before that, let me do a little talk about it. The M1 MacBook. The name that we heard a lot in the last few months. But why? Why they're so hyped? Are they really magical? Let's find out. So beautiful. I know it's a bit early to adopt one of these first-gen products as your main and Dell-driven machines, as we hear some carrying issues around them these days, but boy, it's so tempting to own one of these beauties. It's kind of a revolutionary product. Apple literally raised our expectation up to the moon with their new ARM architecture chips. They're fast as a rocket and also have less power consumption compared to x86 family. So we got more performance as well as more juice without cooking our breakfast on our laptops. Wait, what? Yeah.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
The new MacBooks don't even get warm. However, the M1 MacBook Airs don't have active cooling. Yes, you heard right. They don't have fan. So they're completely silent, silenti, or whatever. They're quiet. That's awesome, isn't it? I know there are also some computers out there with ARM chips, but let's be honest, they're kind of joke in front of these beasts. So without any further ado, let me do a quick unbox of this bad boy. Let's do it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. Yeah, as always, take care of yourself and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.